back to another video. Today I'm playing Tiny Fishing again. Let's see how rich I am. I should be like, I think like hundreds of dollars a minute. You know, out for like, I could, like, 7 to 3. Should be a lot. Don't question that video I've just posted. Seriously? Seriously? Around the rosy pocket full of balls. Crazy for you now. Rosy pocket full of balls. Go crazy for you now. Around the rosy pocket full of balls. Crazy for you now. Ring around the rosy pocket full of balls. Go crazy. Don't question that video, by the way. Around the rosy pocket, go crazy for you now. Easy, yeah. Call me crazy. Don't question that video, guys. Don't question that video. I will eat you alive. Let's just say that. See ya. Around the rosy pocket full of posy. Go crazy for me now. Around the rosy pocket full. Go crazy for you now. Around the rosy pocket full of posy. This is my last line, guys. Around the rosy pocket full of posy. Go crazy for you now. Around the rosy pocket full of posy. Go crazy for you now. Around the rosy pocket full of posy. Crazy for you now. Don't question my video, guys. Seriously, if you question my video, I will. And 3 views in 19 minutes. 18. Good job. And Ethan, you're next. You're next. I'm gonna find you. Just kidding. I won't. Who's a clowny guy? Clowny person. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And have a good day. And remember, do not, seriously, not question that video. Especially you, Ethan. Because Ethan, if you question that, it come from a year to a day. So don't question it. Don't question it. You know what I have to do if you question it. So goodbye. Goodbye.